a nigga, you know that I fuck with that. Shot it right around in the new man. You know I stay loaded up, codeine and Zan. I got the bag, I ain't showing my hand. I take your whole.
What's up, YouTube? It's Eric Breezing. Back with a video. Did my first video in 2023. And it's a cabin trip video, so this gonna be a vlog. I'm finna give y'all a little house tour real quick. This it right here. They did 3 floors. Come on. 3 floors. So it's my first time being in the cabin. And we in Tennessee, motherfucker. Everybody not here yet, so I'm gonna walk through this bed. I'm gonna show y'all everything. But get to it. We ain't got no view.
It's a lot of space right there though for you.
They probably don't want to pull right here.
I can pull that truck around here, mama.
Yeah, I'll pull the truck around her.
See, they already trying to get started with me, but we're gonna get back to it. We gotta, I don't know what you want to call that out there. Cameron, what we call that right there?
We're gonna call that the trapeo.
We gonna barbecue and shit. Oh, let him back.
We good. What up?
What up, President? We got President in, man.
President in the cut, put the slides on.
There go. This the kitchen. Nice kitchen.
One room, got a refrigerator.
Got the table right there. Family sitting here for real. Got a table. Light on right there. Got a big TV.
What this is?
Then we got the pool, man. We got the pool, man.
What the fuck?
Oh, my bad, y'all. We got the pool in here. I think I'm looking like, this is about 5 feet. I would jump up here.
Jump down.
Yeah, this is, we got a bathroom right here too.
500 lights here, jump in there, baby.
This one of the first bedrooms right here. Just simple.
Yeah. Well, then we gotta get that bathroom.
Oh, we got a little couch. I think your room got a couch in. You really? Oh, what's it? Got the bathroom. Ooh, shit! Walk-in shower is crazy. Oh yeah, this right here. And you just got this bit.
I needed that bench.
Come on, keep the camera on me. Come on. Can go to another bedroom. Got a bedroom right here. There's some light.
Something like.
Got a one-way bathroom in. I mean, you got 2-way. One right there. Got one right here. Now let's go upstairs. This was all the magic right here. This is fun. They're gonna be the funnest floor right here. Look, we got. I don't know the name of this, but
Foosball table.
Foosball table right here. We got a pool table right here.
Ooh, shit.
Got another room. Ain't too major. Got multi-case.
Stop pulling me down.
Got another game machine right here.
Look at me.
Got here right here. Really good. This is another bedroom.
You're being unfair.
And you got food beds.
Your little phone sucked terribly. You got a pen.
Probably my bag downstairs. Fridge and
When you get time to check.
yeah.
In the room. Come on, cameraman. We got 4 beds in here. I thought it was gonna be 2 in the bunk bedroom, but 4. That's a lot right there. That's enough. We got the kids. Oh, we got the patio out here. Oh, man, ain't no view though. They weak.
It ain't going nowhere.
We got a hot tub out here.
Yeah.
Who the fuck? Probably can't go in these days. Oh shit! Yeah. Oh yeah.
We in here
right
like
there,
swim.
And let go, man. Where we at on the video?
We had 5 minutes.
Okay, about 10
2 floors, 5 minutes.
Come on, we got one more floor. And it big now. Top floor ain't nothing for it.
JoJo.
We got 4 bedrooms up here too. One right there. One right there. One too many. One too many.
It's only one room. They got a bathroom to it.
No. Almost every room got a balcony, I think. Well, these on this side ain't got none. Yeah, one right here. I don't know about little like in the bathroom for real. You can go outside about with a grill and stuff. Another bedroom right there. We're on this patio right now. This the better view than this side. Oh yeah. Still treated. I ain't seeing a lot of traffic out here. Now look who just pulled up. Look who just Miss Michaela Fuller. Just pulling up. Yes. Man, let's go talk to her real quick. We're moving out.
Yeah, 5.
We're gonna ask some questions around here.
Shit, this is good. I know I didn't do it.
Michaela, what up? Y'all roll
Hey, she wanted to give me
Right?
a hug.
Yeah.
Oh, y'all already got
No,
it?
we wrote on long.
Oh, your mama drove?
Loud. Gang.
What up, lady? You got
Hey,
cane in
boy.
this bitch? Cane in this bitch? Yeah.
I ain't never seen her dressed up.
Oh. Shut the fuck
Come on, man. Auntie.
Baby,
What's happening?
Janine.
How's the drive?
Look. Y'all went straight over there.
Right over there. How's the drive?
What up?
I see what you got, bitch.
That's right. That's
She wouldn't
right.
get me so bad.
Right.
Oh my goodness.
Man, let's see what they came. Let's see what they came. Oh, we got the Cadillac. Ooh, the brown interior.
Ooh.
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 What up, Don?
What up, boy? You alright?
Yeah.
What up, G?
What up?
Let me go hear about the patio, man. No, not patio.
The other side, check it out. Check it out.
Side deck or whatever.
8.
Splash Mountain, man.
8.
Huh?
8.
For sure. Smart.
Somebody already
I
jumped.
thought she was moving. Then we got a little side thing, so we grilling. Damn, they could have got the trash before we came out here.
Yeah.
We got the grill out here. We don't know. We know we got a grill out there.
What kind of grill this is anyway?
This goddamn Charles Griller goddamn grills and smokers.
Pay us, Char Griller. No free ads.
They got a little deck right here. A lot of room. It's nice though. I'm gonna have a vlog every day we here. We here for 5 days. We here for 5 days. So I'm gonna try to have a vlog. This is 4 days out of 5. And yeah, that was the house tour at Air Breezing. I'm gonna be back with another video tomorrow.